Some Chrome users are not happy with Google because of the new tab design that is engaging all users these days. But Momentum has come to rid you of it. Join us to introduce this plugin more. If there's one thing that makes me dependent on Chrome, it's the ability to use a variety of extensions on this browser. Momentum is one of those plugins that are worth trying. With a to-do list, the app helps you with your day-to-day chores and replaces the current lifeless page in the new tab Chrome with impressive sentences and a variety of backgrounds adorned with a large prominent clock. Momentum always asks you about your ideas and plans for the day. Everything on display depends on what you write. The weather is also displayed. If you look down, you will see inspirational quotes every day. Momentum doubles as a to-do list manager that allow you to write down daily tasks such as shopping for food, sending an email to a friend, meeting your customer, and more. Next to each option in the list, there is a check mark, and selecting the tick mark means that the job is done. In addition, Momentum displays the total number of tasks performed at the top of the screen. In general, this application is one of those attractive plugins that combines the default Chrome page with beautiful photos and useful information. There may be a sad fact after the outbreak of the corona pandemic, and you have no escape from Zoom sessions and you must always control it. The Zoom Scheduler plugin can help you in this regard. With this plugin you can easily plan your Zoom meetings, create a room and send the address to others. This plugin integrates with your Google Calendar, and when scheduling a session on Google Calendar, you can also enter its address so that the Zoom session address is automatically sent to all attendees with an invitation email so they don't forget the session. You have probably used highlighters in books. But can you do the same on web pages? Weave Highlighter is one of the best free Chrome extensions. With this plugin, you can highlight web pages such as PDF, Word, etc. This plugin is very useful for researchers and scholars who want to analyze web pages. Another important Chrome add-on used to manage passwords is Bitwarden. This plugin does whatever you want it to do, such as save passwords, help you create new passwords, and has a feature in its settings that automatically fills in saved passwords as soon as you open the page. The internet can be a distraction. The Stay Focused plugin helps you set time for several websites that you always visit. For example, 10 minutes on Facebook. After the specified time, the program restricts your access to the site, and by doing so, you realize that you have to do something else. If you write English content on a daily basis, be sure to install the Grammarly plugin on your Google Chrome. This plugin helps you find your text flaws and edit them, and mistakes and suggestions are given to you to finally have a great text. Google Chrome is without a doubt the most popular web browser in the world. But it takes a lot of use of your system hardware resources. The OneTab plugin helps you speed up your system. With this plugin, you can turn all tabs into a list in a tab. In this way, you can reduce memory consumption by up to 95%.